Hello, everyone. Scott Dunbar, owner of Nuage Tech. Doing another quick Nuage Tech tip minute, maybe like 5 minutes. This is a customer request, sort of client request. That I don't like the word customer. In case you hadn't learned that by now, I prefer the word client. But this is how do I grab what they're called snips, and Microsoft's actually changing that, but you'll see that in a moment. But like a screenshot, but not of the entire screen. And I tried to walk a client through this. Was not easy thing to do to walk them through it. So I thought I would share a video real quick on how to do it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to need to find the snipping tool that it's called currently. You can see I use it pretty significantly. I do some training documents, so sometimes screenshots are required. So we open the snipping tool, but if you just search snip within the Microsoft search window search, you'll find it. And as you can see, it says snipping tool is moving, and this is where the client got a little confused. So, I thought it might be a good idea to share. So now I have the snipping tool open, and there's a few different modes. So there's the free form snip where you can draw circles, whatever shapes you want. Drawing with a mouse is not the easiest thing, so I don't recommend that. Rectangular window snip, if I want the entire window, or full screen. I have multiple screens, so it's probably not the best way for me to go. But window or rectangular snip, and I usually use the rectangular, as you can see. And then let's say I want to grab a screenshot of these applications up here in the corner, or in the case of the client, there's this. They wanted to grab a screenshot of files in a download, or in a folder, not in a download folder, but in a folder. So you just click new. You see the screen kind of grays out. You grab whatever it is you want to grab. And then you have to use the left mouse button and drag the screen grab, and then save as, and then you can save it where you want. And then you can save it as a PNG, a GIF, or a JPEG, or a single file HTML. Normally JPEG is the best option. Unless you need a higher quality, then you would go to a PNG. But JPEG is a lower quality, but usually not noticeable enough. And it also smaller file format, or file size, I should say. So I usually just do JPEG, name it whatever I want, and then save it wherever I want. And that's really all it takes to do a snip. And again, they are going to change the name, and maybe it is in Windows 11. I haven't spent enough time with Windows 11 yet. Spent a little bit of time, but not a lot yet. But that's it. And the snip tool has a lot of other options. You can highlight things, you can draw circles around things, but that's the basics of the snipping tool and how to grab an image of something on your screen, whatever that might be. So if you're creating a tutorial of some type, or you need it for documentation, whatever the reason is, that's how you do it. So hopefully that helps someone. And until next time, stay safe, stay secure.